And I can say, guys, that manifestation really works. So, tingnan nyo ha. Ito yung aking manifestation journal. Noong April 26, ito yung sinulat ko na I passed my practical driving test on the first take. O, ayan. That was on April 26, 2024. And also, on my phone, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung date ha. The date today is May 24. It's a Friday. Ayan. So, ayan siya. And then, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinost ko sa Facebook kahapon. Siyempre, hindi ko pinost in public. On my own lang ito siya. Ayan. 1 day ago. Tingnan niyo kung ano yung sinabi ko. Sabi ko, I passed the UK practical driving test on my first take with maximum of 5 minors on 24th of May 2024. Congratulations to me. So, yan yung sinabi ko sa aking manifestation. So, ayan. Of course, hindi lang naman yan, manifestation just doesn't work na, sige, manifest ka, tapos wala kang ibang gagawin, di ba? Siyempre, samahan nyo din yun ng sa Bisaya pa pagkugi. Siyempre, may gagawin ka rin para mag-manifest yung gusto mong mangyari. Really thankful kasi I got my certificate. Ayan. That I passed the driving test. And ito pa, guys. Alam niyo kung ano yung cool? Di ba sabi ko 5 minors? Actually, in a test, you are allowed up to 15 minors sa practical driving test. But hindi ka pwedeng magkaroon ng major or serious fault or dangerous fault. You're only allowed to have minor faults. So, ito yung sa akin. Yung faults ko total is 5. So, 2, 3, 4, 5. As in, guys, maximum of 5 minors yung sabi ko. Tapos, ito din yung nangyari. 5 talaga. As in, nakakatuwa lang. As in, super happy ko talaga. I mean, yeah, the thing that I manifested really happened. So, thank God for that. And so, it's another thing off the checklist. So, ang saya-saya ko kasi syempre, it's an achievement kasi, unlike dyan sa Pinas, wherein nakuha ko lang yung driving license ko, na hindi walang kahirap-hirap, kumbaga. Yes, I did my driving lessons. I think I spent 10,000 pesos for that. Manual yun. But then, during the driving test talaga yung practical, wala pang practical dati eh. Alam ko, theory lang mayroon. Nag-exam sa center. Pero, pwede yung, magkaroon ka ng fixer. So, maipasa mo yung exam, kunwari. Pero, nilalagyan na ng answer yung, yung test paper. Hindi ko na maalala yun. Pero, ang alam ko, nag-fixer ako. At, ang reason ko naman kung bakit ako kumuha ng driving license talaga is hindi para mag-drive, pero para magkaroon ng ID. So, yeah, it's just a great feeling na yung pinaghirapan ko is nagbunga siya. Kasi syempre nga, we spent a lot of money para sa driving license kasi nga hindi siya mura yung magkaroon ng driving license dito. And super practice talaga ako at nanonood ng mga videos talaga para matuto talaga. Kasi syempre, talaga, dapat you have to do something really here. You have to maningkamot jud baga. Kay sabi ko nga, hindi katulad dyan sa Pinas na pagkuha ng driving license is very easy lang.